Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. Are you ready to practice some English today?
Yes, I am. I want to improve my English.
That's great. Let's start with something easy. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning.
Nice. And what is the first thing you do after you wake up?
First, I check my phone, and then I get out of bed.
Ha, me too. After that, do you eat breakfast or take a shower first?
I take a shower first, and then I eat breakfast.
Good answer. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread, and I drink coffee or milk.
That sounds delicious. Do you eat breakfast at home or at school?
I eat breakfast at home, but sometimes I eat at school.
Great! And after breakfast, what do you do next?
After breakfast, I get dressed and prepare my backpack.
Do you choose your clothes the night before or in the morning?
I usually choose my clothes in the morning.
Really? Does it take you a long time?
Sometimes, yes. I like to be comfortable.
I understand. What time do you leave the house?
I leave the house about 8 o'clock.
How do you go to school? Do you walk, take the bus, or go by car?
I usually go by car, but sometimes I walk.
Who do you go with?
I go with my sister or my parents.
That's nice. Do you like to go to school in the morning?
Yes, I do, but I feel sleepy sometimes.
Ha! That's normal. What do you do when you feel sleepy?
I drink water and I try to pay attention in class.
Good idea. Paying attention is very important. So, what is your first class at school?
My first class is English.
That's great! Do you like English?
Yes, I like it, but sometimes it's difficult.
That's okay. Learning a language takes time. What do you find difficult about English?
Sometimes I have problems with the pronunciation and listening.
I understand. How do you practice your English at home?
I watch videos, I listen to music, and I practice speaking.
That's very good. Do you practice speaking with someone?
Yes, I practice with my sister and sometimes my friend.
Perfect. Practicing with other people helps a lot. What is your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is math.
Why do you like math?
Because I like solving problems and learning new things.
That's great. Do you have a lot of homework every day?
Not every day, but sometimes I have a lot.
What do you usually do when you have a lot of homework?
I try to finish it early so I can relax later.
That's a very good habit. After school, what do you usually do?
After school, I go home and have lunch.
Do you eat alone or with your family?
I usually eat with my family.
That's nice. And after lunch, do you study or rest?
I rest for a little while and then I do my homework.
What do you do when you finish your homework?
When I finish my homework, I like to watch TV or play with my phone.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do. I like reading and listening to music.
That sounds relaxing. Do you read every day?
Not every day, but I read when I have time.
What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I spend time with my family and get ready for the next day.
That's a good routine. Having a routine helps a lot. Now, let's review some important words and expressions from the conversations. Wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Get ready. Get ready means to prepare yourself. Example, I get ready for school every day.
Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Example, I eat breakfast at home.
Leave the house. This means to go out of your home. Example, I'll leave the house at 8 o'clock.
Go to school. This means to attend school. Example, I go to school by car.
Homework. Homework is schoolwork you do at home. Example, I do my homework in the afternoon.
To practice means to do something again and again to improve. Example, I practice English every day.
Pay attention. Pay attention means to focus and listen carefully. Example, I pay attention in class.
Finish. Finish means to complete something. Example, I finish my homework early.
Routine. Routine is something you do every day. Example, my morning routine is simple.
Hobby. A hobby is an activity you enjoy doing in your free time. One example is reading is my hobby.
Spend time. Spend time means to use time with someone or something. Example, I spend time with my family.
This conversation helps you practice real English used in daily life. Try to repeat the sentences. Practice with a partner and use these words every day. Keep practicing and your English will improve.